Thanks for taking me hunting, Shh. Don't be so loud, man. Thanks for taking me hunting. I've never been on one before.
It's okay. I get really excited around turkey season.
That's cool.
Okay, here's our blind. We'll scrouch down right here. And just for next time, make sure we're wearing more camouflage. They can't see me. You're sitting like a sore thumb, man.
But I'm wearing. I'm wearing green. You're orange. You're bright orange.
They can't see me. Hey, you see that?
Yeah, it looks sort of like a chicken.
No, that's the biggest tom I've ever seen.
I don't even know what a tom is.
Shh! You don't know what a tom is.
I know about Tom Brady.
Does it look like Tom Brady to you? I mean, Tom's, they got a big red gobbler, they got huge fans, some talons. Look at that thing. It's the biggest tom I've ever seen.
That doesn't have any of what you just said right there.
Yes, it does. Shh! Gotta be quiet, they'll hear you.
I'm sorry.
Let me get a better look.
Should you really be standing up?
Yes, I should. Shh! I'm the master hunter here, not you. You're not even wearing orange like I am.
Okay.
You know what?
What?
I think I got one shot. I think I'm gonna take it.
Okay. Bernie, you know, I really think that's a chicken.
Man, be quiet. I only get one shot, so we gotta be really quiet.
All right.
I'm gonna take it. Ah!
You got the chicken. You got him.
It's a turkey, man. Turkey.
Okay, it's a turkey.
No, I got
Look, now that we got him, what do we do now?
Have you ever been hunting before? Seriously, it's picture time.
You know, Bernie, that was a really big turkey you shot after all. That was huge.
Man, I've seen it up close, man. I definitely think it's a chicken. You were right.
Oh, is it?
No!